Kelly Potter, clinical and holistic nutrition counselor and the newest member of the Spring Integrative Health family, and I am so excited to be offering my first wellness workshop all about mindfulness. So when it comes to mindfulness and nutrition, it can be a totally transformational experience to really be aware of the foods you're eating, why you're choosing the foods that you're choosing, and what you're actually doing while you're eating. So this workshop is perfect for people who feel stressed out, for people who feel like they don't have enough time to meal prep or really plan meals, or for people who are always eating on the run. We're going to try to create a mindful morning routine for you, a mindful evening routine for you, so you can create more spaciousness in your life and ultimately more freedom in your life. So this workshop starts May 16th. It is the 16th, the 23rd, and the 30th of May, Wednesday nights from 6 to 7:30 at Spring Integrative Health. So ask the front desk for more information.